Welcome to the video by Spexon. Zoology Mille and Harley MCQs Chapter 10, the Triploblastic, Acoelomate Body Plan. Let's start. Which of the following is not an acoelomate? Platyhelminthes, Rotifera, Gastrotrichia, Turbellaria. Correct answer: Rotifera. Three important characteristics first appeared in the acoelomates. Which of the following is not one of them? Bilateral symmetry, a true mesoderm, an excretory system, nervous tissues. Correct answer: nervous tissues. Acoelomates lack a body cavity because the dash cells completely fills the area between the outer epidermis and digestive tract. Parenchymal, muscular, nervous, ectodermal. Correct answer: parenchymal. Which of the following classes is typically not parasitic? Turbellaria, Monogenia, Trematoda, Cestoidea. Correct answer: Turbellaria. Marine ribbon worms are found within the phylum. Turbellaria, Monogenia, Nemertea, Gastrotricha. Correct answer: Nemertea. Which of the following would you find either living a free-living lifestyle or living in the space between bottom sediments in freshwater? Gastrotricha, Nemertea, Monogenia, Turbellaria. Correct answer: Gastrotricha. The lone animal is this phyla lives on the mouthparts of North Atlantic lobsters. Platyhelminthes, Nemertea, Cycliophora, Acoelomorpha. Correct answer: Cycliophora. With 34,000 species and counting, there are more described animals in this phyla of acoelomates than in any other phyla of acoelomates. Platyhelminthes, Nemertea, Acoelomorpha, Gastrotricha. Correct answer: Platyhelminthes. Animals in the phyla Platyhelminthes, Nemertea, Gastrotricha, Acoelomorpha, and Cycliophora exhibit this type of symmetry. Radial symmetry, pentaradial symmetry, asymmetry, bilateral symmetry. Correct answer: bilateral symmetry. Sexual maturity in a larval body form is called incomplete organization, complete organization, pedimorphosis. All of the above, AC. Correct answer: pedimorphosis. Characteristics of the platyhelminthes include all of the following except: usually flattened dorsoventrally, usually unsegmented worms, incomplete gut, many organ systems present. Correct answer: many organ systems present. Most turbellarians, such as the common planarian, are carnivores. Will also feed as herbivores. Have chemoreceptors that help them detect food. All of the above, AC. Correct answer: all of the above. Which is not part of the protonephridial system in a turbellarian? Nephridiopore, flame cell, nephron, excretory tube. Correct answer: excretory tube. A few turbellarians have a free-swimming larva termed a Muller's larva, planula larva, Comiracidium, Miracidium. Correct answer: Muller's larva. Monogenetic flukes are so named because they have only one generation in their life cycle, have a life cycle where only one adult develops from one egg, are solely external parasites. Both A and B. Correct answer: have only one generation in their life cycle. A small group of flukes that are primarily internal parasites of mollusks are the subclass Aspidogastria, subclass Digenea, class Monogenia, class Cestoidea. Correct answer: subclass Aspidogastria. The scientific name of the Chinese liver fluke is Physiology hepatica, Schistosoma hematobium, Schistosoma mansoni, Clenorchis sinensis. Correct answer: Clenorchis sinensis. The scientific name of the sheep liver fluke is Physiology hepatica, Schistosoma hematobium, Schistosoma mansoni, Clenorchis sinensis. Correct answer Fasciola hepatica. Almost all cestodes belong to the subclass Eucestoda, Cestodaria, Cestoidea, Testudines. Correct answer Eucestoda. Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.